Introducing the new RoboSystems Utility Electric Vehicle. 4x4 Gladiator is an all-wheel drive electric vehicle with off-road tires. Gladiator has a driving range of 65 miles. The maximum output power equals 16 kW at the peak of performance. Gladiator is 5 times cheaper than similar models on the market. Each wheel has a separate 2 kW motor and equipped with a disc brake. Total weight of the scooter is 230 pounds. 60 volts 40 amp hours lithium iron phosphate battery has a capacity of 2.4 kW. Maximum speed of the vehicle is 30 miles per hour. Rate Gladiator in any weather condition and a temperature of up to -20 degrees Celsius. Analogs you'll find on the market today, such as Easy Rider, cost over $19,000. Similar all-terrain vehicles from the US, such as Light Horse, start at $18,900. We offer a lot more reasonable prices. With similar features, our scooters are 5 times cheaper. Our prices start at $4,200 US a piece.
A Trina is absolutely new all-terrain vehicle on ultra-low pressure tires. It can be used to transport goods, equipment, people, and is also perfect for recreation and hunting, fishing and mining. The depreciation of this unit is also supplemented by wheel pneumatic circulation. In the process of overcoming obstacles, the volume of air can move between the rear and front wheels, thus ensuring the passage of areas with difficult terrain. The all-terrain vehicle uses a 70 horsepower 4-cylinder gasoline engine as a power unit, which works together with a 5-speed manual gearbox. The maximum speed is 50 kilometers per hour, fuel consumption 4 liters per hour. A Trina is a truly versatile machine with excellent performance.
Yeah.